Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a P or a JSON file onto your site on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, naturally, you will not be able to upload your JSON files. WordPress does not support them, but what we're going to be using is we're going to be using a solution without plugins, which I can kind of show you how it is done. However, I still won't be able to show you the full option because I do not have the premium subscription, which is at least at business plan. So I don't have my theme file editor, which you do need to use this solution. Now, firstly, what you're going to do is go into appearance and go into theme file editor, which is going to be over here at the bottom. And you're going to search for your PHP, your functions.php file. Once you're there, you're then going to be tasked with adding some code to the end of that file. So I'll just go over to this article right over here. And as you can see, you need to go to functions.php. This is what the theme file editor looks like. And then you just need to scroll to the bottom and then add this code over here. Once you add this code, this will allow JSON files to be accepted by your site. And once you do that, you just need to click update file at the bottom of your page, which will enable that code to work. Once that's done, you just need to go into media and click add new media, which is done like this. So just go into media, add new media file, and then you'll be able to drop your JSON file over here, and it should be uploaded to your site directly without any interruptions or problems. And that is pretty much all you need to do. Again, sorry, I can show you guys exactly how this is done. Simply, I do not have the required money to buy the subscription so that I can show you. But I hope you guys enjoyed anyway, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.